Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As today we are going to learn a new chapter that is from your new grammar tree book, okay? So here you can see a topic that is written Rikki Tikki Tavi, okay? So it is the name of a mongoose, okay? So we'll see without doing any kind of delay, let's start our chapter. So this is about a Rikki Tikki Tavi story, okay? Rikki Tikki was a mongoose. His eyes and the end of his nose were pink, as you can see in the picture, right? So his eyes and the end of his nose were pink. He could scratch himself anywhere he pleased with any leg, back or front, and he could fluff up his tail until it looked like a bottle brush. Means उसको वो अपनी पूँछ को किसी भी तरह से हिलाता एंड ही कैन स्क्रैच एनी वेयर ही वॉन्टेड. मीन्स वो जो होता है ना स्क्रैच करना, कहीं पर अगर इचिंग हो रहा है तो दे वी स्क्रैच विथ आवर नेल्स और आवर हैंड्स, राइट? सो लाइक दैट ही कैन स्क्रैच एनी वेयर इन द लेग. मीन्स किसी भी लेग से कहीं भी स्क्रैच कर सकता था, बैक और फ्रंट. And he could fluff up his tail until it looked like a bottle brush. Means it could means वो उस अपने पूँछ को तब तक हिलाता था जब तक वो एक फर या फीदर जैसा फील ना हो. His war cry as he scuttled through the long grass was Rikki Tikki Tikki Kitty Tick Tick. So it means he runs somewhere with short quick step, okay, between the long grasses, and it's sound like rikki tikki tikki, okay, the sound were made by that mongoose Rikki Tikki. One day a summer flood washed him out of the bureau where he lived and carried him down a roadside ditch. Okay, so one day what happened? He was carried by a flood of from his bureau. Bureau means a hole where mongoose live. किसी भी hole में एक mongoose जहाँ रहता था वो flood के water से किसी भी तरह से करके he reached up to the roadside ditch. means नाला होता है ना, वहाँ वो पहुँच गया. He found a little wisp of grass floating there and clung to it till he lost his senses. Now, what he did, he found a little means long and thin object, okay, and he clung to that. He clung to that means उसको पकड़ के जल्दी से अपने आप को संभाला until he lost his senses. When he revived, he was lying in the hot sun in the middle of the garden path. A small boy and his mother took him into the house, and a big man picked him up between his finger and thumb, and said that he was not dead. So they wrapped him in cotton wool and warmed him over a little fire, and he opened his eyes and sneezed. What happened? जब वो मीन्स बेहोश की हालत से बाहर निकला, व्हेन ही अलाइव, व्हेन ही मीन्स अनकॉन्शियस स्टेट से बाहर आया, देन ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ ही वाज लाइंग इन द हॉट सन, ओके, एंड ऑन द गार्डन पाथ. और वहाँ पे कौन आया? एक स्मॉल बॉय विथ हिज मदर, और वहाँ पर एक आदमी भी था, यंग मैन, बिग मैन, जो रिकी टिकी को उठाया, एंड दे टुक him to their house, okay, and they kept him means they warmed him, okay, on a little over a little fire, and then only Rikki Tikki opened his eyes. It is the hardest thing in the world to frighten a mongoose because he is full of curiosity. Means what happened? This mongoose is full of curiosity, okay, and this is the means वो होता है ना, नुकसान होता है उनका वो चीज़. They gave him a little piece of raw meat. They means the boy, the mother, and the father. They gave him a piece of meat. Rikki Tikki liked it immensely. Means बहुत ज़्यादा उसे पसंद आया. And when it was finished, he went out into the veranda and sat in the sunshine and fluffed up his fur to make it dry to the roots. Just like if you will bath a dog, they will shake their body to release all the water from their fur. तो लाइक दैट रिकी टिकी भी क्या कर रहा है? वो अपना पूँछ हिला रहा है और अपने पूँछ को ड्राई कर रहा है. Then he felt better. He spent all that day roaming all over the house, and when Teddy, the small boy, went to the bed, Ricky Ticky climbed up. वो सारा दिन इधर उधर घूमता रहा, और जब वो जो स्मॉल बॉय है, टेडी उसका नाम है, जब वो बेड पे गया तो रिक्की टिक्की वहाँ पे जाकर उसके साथ बेड पे सो गया, जस्ट लाइक यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. Teddy's mother and father came in to look at their son and saw Ricky Tikki on the pillow. जब वो लोग मीन्स टेडी के मदर एंड फादर केम देयर टू लुक टेडी, तो उन्होंने क्या देखा, रिकी टिकी भी वहाँ पे पिलो के पास लेटा हुआ. आई डोंट लाइक दैट, सेड टेरीज मदर, ही मे बाइट द चाइल्ड. मुझे नहीं पसंद है वो मोंगूज, अगर वो बच्चे को काट लिया तो. He will do no such thing, said the boy's father. अब वे boy's father क्या बोले कि अरे बाबा कुछ नहीं होगा, he will not do anything. Teddy is safer with that little beast than if he had a bloodhound to watch over him. Means टेडी उसके साथ सुरक्षित है, सेफ है, दैन ब्लड हाउंड. ओके, तो ब्लड हाउंड का मतलब क्या होता है, ए डॉग, ओके, who can smell very well, and they are dangerous also. Okay, so it is better, it is safer, means Teddy is safer with the little beast. So this is a chapter which is adapted from a Rikki Tikki Tabi by Rudyard Kipling. Okay, he is the writer of this story. So what is the meaning of this story in this grammar? What you have to do from the story, you have to find adjective, adverbs, pronouns, maybe many more there. Okay, first we'll see, match each word with the meaning it has in the passage. वो passage दिया हुआ है ऊपर story, short story, and from that you have to find out the word meaning of this word. Okay, so fluff का क्या होगा इसमें, fluff का होगा to shake something to make it look larger. Okay, so that will be the answer. Scuttled का क्या होगा, scuttled का होगा small thin piece of something. Yeah. Bureau का क्या होगा, a hole made in the ground and used as a shelter by some animals. Okay, ditch का क्या होगा, तो ditch का होगा long narrow channel dug at the ends of the field or road etc to carry water away, just like nala. wisp का क्या होगा, wisp का होगा okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see it later. Revived का होगा regained consciousness. Okay, curiosity का क्या होगा, तो a strong desire to know or learn. Veranda का क्या होगा, an open space with a roof on the side of a house. Roaming का होगा walking around without any definite aim. And bloodhound का होगा a large dog with a very good sense of smell. Now see, okay, I got it. So wisp का होगा और small thin pieces of something, B. फिफ्थ का B होगा, और सेकंड का होगा, सेकंड का I होगा. Okay, सेकंड का I. Okay, now see. The next one. Now you have to answer the following question. Who was Rikki Tikki Tabi? You have to describe. Rikki Tikki was a mongoose, and what was his feature, appearance? His appearance was his eyes and the end of his nose were pink. Okay, and he could scratch himself anywhere he pleased with any leg, back or front, and he could pluff up his tail. This we have to describe about him. How do you think Rikki Tikki got his name? Because he was roaming around the bushes, the grasses, okay, and he was crying and scuttled there, or like Rikki Tikki, 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 like this sound. So that is the reason his name got Rikki Tikki. Where did the summer flood carry Rikki Tikki? The summer flood carried Rikki Tikki to the ditch. How was he treated by the family which found him? He was treated very well. Why it is hard to frighten a mongoose? Because they had the curiosity to know something more about things. Okay. What did Rikki Tikki eat and how did he dry himself completely? Rikki Tikki eat a piece of meat and he just scuttled he uh, fluff his tail and dry himself completely. What did Teddy's mother fear? Teddy's mother feared that maybe this mongoose will bite her child. What did Teddy's father think? Teddy's father think that it is better, it is good. This little beast is good than a bloodhound. So this is all about the question answer. Now, this is the most important thing what you have learned earlier. Say which of the underlined verbs and underlined verbs are transitive and which is intransitive. Point out the object of the transitive verb. Now, what you have to do, you have to ask the question. अगर verb के बाद अगर आप question पूछते हो what और whom, आंसर आ जाता है, it is said to be transitive verb. अगर what और whom का आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, it is intransitive verb. और जहाँ transitive verb है वहाँ तो object होगा ही होगा. Okay, so let's see. He could fluff up his tail until it looked like a bottle brush. So it looked what, it looked whom. तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आ रहा, so it is said to be that looked is a intransitive verb and there will be no object. He lost his senses. He lost what? He lost what? His senses. Question आ गया, what का आंसर आ गया ना, तो that will said to be transitive verb and object will be his senses. He was not dead. He was what? He was whom. तो what और whom का अगर आंसर आ जाता है तो it is said to be transitive verb, और अगर आंसर नहीं आता then it is said to be intransitive verb. तो he was not dead. He was what? He was not dead. The answer came, so it is said to be transitive verb, and not dead will be the object of that verb was. No, the third one is intransitive verb. Okay, third one is intransitive verb. Okay. They wrapped him in a cotton wool. They wrapped what? They wrapped whom? तो whom का आंसर तो आ रहा है. They wrapped whom? तो they wrapped him. तो ये आंसर तो आ गया. तो then it is said to be transitive verb and the object will be him. Okay. Now see the fifth one. They gave him raw meat. They gave what and they gave whom. ये दोनों का आंसर आ रहा है. Then it is said to be transitive verb and him raw meat, that will be the object in which raw meat will be direct object and him will be indirect object. Okay. He spent the day roaming all over the house. He spent what? He spent the day. Okay. So that will be transitive verb and the day will be object. They saw Rikki Tikki on the pillow. They saw whom? They saw whom? Rikki Tikki. Then it is also a transitive verb and Rikki Tikki will be the object. Now you have to pick out the adjectives and adverb from the following sentences and say what kind of adjective it is. Okay. Also mention the word each adjective or adverb qualifies. Now you have to find out here what is adjective here, what is adverb here, and अगर adjective है तो वो किसको qualify कर रहा है और adverb है तो वो किसको qualify करेगा. ठीक है. तो I think you can do it by yourself. Question number E. Pick out a reflexive pronoun from a passage. Point out the verb it is the object of and the subject of the verb. Now you have to find out the reflexive pronoun from the given passage here. From this passage you have to find out the reflexive sorry from this passage you have to find out the reflexive pronoun and then you have to tell which word is subject of a verb and which verb is a object of a verb. And then you have to write an essay on how curiosity once got you in trouble. Give your essay a title. Now you have to write an essay. आपको एक essay लिखना है. जैसे curiosity अगर आपके मन में है तो उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है, नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, और हाउ इट मीन्स लेट यू इन अ ट्रबल, हाउ इट लेट यू इन ट्रबल, कैसे आपको वो ट्रबल कर देता है समटाइम क्यूरियोसिटी के लिए. ओके, क्यूरियोसिटी का मतलब ये हुआ कि टू नो समथिंग मोर अबाउट थिंग्स, किसी चीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादा जानने से कैसे वो आपके लिए वो मीन्स अफेक्टफुल मीन्स हार्मफुल हो सकता है, ठीक है. यू हैव टू राइट अ essay on that. So I don't think so you will get any kind of problem. If you will have any kind of doubt, you can just ask to me on my personal chat, okay. So guys, have a nice day to all, and read the chapter and solve all the exercises as well, okay. Bye everyone.